નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we will learn Standard 6, Social Science, Chapter number 2, Journey from Primitive Man to Settled Life. In first session, we learn about primitive man and their nomadic life. Then we learn about Stone Age. Then we learn about map. In map we learn which places primitive men lived in India. So today we will learn about discovery of fire, wheel and their uses. Discovery of fire, wheel and their uses. Ruins of ashes found in the cave of primitive men in Kurnool in South India. Ashes, ruins of ashes. The meaning of ruins of ashes is the remains of the destroyed such as houses or castle. So this we can see in the Kurnool. It is located in Andhra Pradesh in South India. So primitive men use fire. We can see from the cave. Indicate that they were familiar with the fire. It means they get some proof, so that it prove it that that time primitive men used the fire. As per the historians, approximately 11,000 years ago, humans started using fire. Use of fire had revolutionized their life because with the help of they could cook the meat and eat, get light and protect themselves from the wild animals. So they were the familiar of fire. So approximately 11,000 years ago, humans started to use fire. From fire, using of fire, their life is also changed. With the help of fire, they start to cook meat. They also eat different food and they get light. If they want to go out, they can use the fire and then it can be useful and protect themselves from the wild animals. Discuss. Even today, is it possible to think about our life without fire? Intentionally, discovery of wheel would have brought which changes in human life? Other than fire, wheel also revolutionized their life. They learned to make wheel from tree trunk and thick wood. Using of fire, meanwhile also the invention of wheel. So how they make the wheel? Using the tree trunk and thick wood. Now our topic is changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, there was a widespread change in the atmosphere of the world due to increase in temperature. Vegetation and grass field started to growing in many areas of the world. So around 12,000 years ago, there was a changes of atmosphere. Because of this temperature, there is vegetation and grass field also growing in many places in world also. As a result, number of grass eating animals, we call them herbivores, like deer, sheep, goat, etc. increase. Primitive men certainly got benefit of it. They started studying these animals' behavior and thus their mental development started. So the increasing of temperature. So number of grass eating animals are like deer, sheep, goat, etc. also. Primitive men also started to studying about their behavior and their mental development also started. They also think how can they use the animals. They can keep them with them and also use can for them. Also they can use it from farm. They can give us milk. So day by day they also studying about animals and also their mental development started. They came in the contact with grass, trees, vegetation as well as wheat, barley and other grains due to climate change. They also not know about wheat and barley. They also know about grass, trees and vegetation. By using stones, women, men and children collected grains. Because of this curious, insect. Insect means their behavior. So slowly their agriculture started in India. People started using stone to grow grains. They started growing grains near the bank of the river and constructed their houses made up of mud, thatch. Thatch means roof of building and other materials in the nearby areas. So people also started to use of stones. They grow grains and also they use stones for in the agriculture. They also dig out the land and they also started their agriculture. Then day by day they start to live near the area where they can get easily water. So their settled life is also near the bank of the river and constructed their houses. Means their life was nomadic to go one place to one place. Now settled life. They also started to live in houses which type of mud and thatch of and materials which is near their area. As a result, what happened? Their nomadic life is totally end and started to settle life. The first companion or friend is settled life was a dog. Beside, he was also familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc. Gradually, they started adjusting with them too. So, first companion means familiar friend was dog. So, dog also helpful to wild animals when they start to attack or they're nearby. So, dog also inform them. So, beside the they also familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo and pig. Gradually they also adjusting with them also. These animals protected them from wild animals. Thus they associated with the animals husbandry. Animal husbandry means care of farm animals by human and also along with farming. However, research is being carried out to find out how long he had been using animals to get milk. So they also started to live near the area where they can get easily water. They also settle their life to build houses and also their first friend familiar was dog. So when wild animals attack them, so dog also start to bark and also familiar with sheep, goat, cow and buffalo. And these with wild animals, they also associated with animal husbandry and along with farming. However, their carried life was long and been using animals to get milks. So they also come to know which type of animals they have to keep with them. Settled life, food, shelter and clothing. Early life and pastoral activity transferred in primitive man's life into settled life. Pastoral activity means shepherd, coward. So they also started after early men also using their shepherd or coward. So their activity transferred primitive man's life in a settled life. Settled life means they day by day their change in life. We know that agriculture land cannot be left out because it takes some time for crops to grow it and it needs water and crops have to be harvested. When grains are ready, this process led to the beginning of settled life in India. In India, we also know our India is a agriculture country. So, in India, also agriculture, what happened? It takes some time to crop to grow and for agriculture, they need water and harvested time. Harvested time means the season of gathering crop. That time also the grains are ready. This process led to the beginning of settled life in India. He also started making earthen pots. Earthen pots means made of earthen. they also use that one for storage of grain. Now in our life also, we also storage our grain like wheat, rice. For that one also we use pots. As the wandering life came to an end, there was a widespread change in their food habits, clothes and shelter. So what is their life was nomadic life, wandering from one place to another place. That one also become end, because they also started agriculture and then start to grow up the crops, then they harvested it and to keep it. That one, for that they also start to make earthen pots. So their wandering life one place to another place, that one is totally stopped, and that one change in their food, cloth and shelter also. Along with wheat, barley and meat, they started eating fish, fruits found near their settlement. Along with the wheat, they also used wheat, barley and meat for food. Now, day by day, they are changing the life. They also start to eat fish and fruits. He lived in houses made up of mud, thatch and other such materials. There also shelter also changes, means they also lived in, before they lived in cave. Now after changing their life, they also start to live in houses. Which type of houses? They made up of mud, thatch. Thatch means we already learned roots of building, and other also material which is near to their region. They also started that type material and they start to live in houses. He did agriculture. He made farming implements of stones which include spade, chisel and sickle. The following table shows us places in India where grains, shelter, weapons and remains of animals have been found. So he did agriculture and also farming implements of stone. Means implements means instrument of stone. Which type of instrument they use? Spade, chisel and sickle. These are type of instrument they start to use for farming, to dig out, to cutting it, for they use this type of instrument. And then here also one table given. We can see which type of animals they are been found. Places is here and also weapons and which type of grains. That time also primitive time also that men use in their life. We get information about their human settlement and cattle rearing from places like Burjom, Gafkral, Hurangi, Mahergarh, Langhnaj and Bhimbetka, which were discovered by our archaeologists. In short, archaeologists give us information about their human settlement and cattle rearing. Cattle rearing means animal rearing. They also, like this place, they got information from Burjom, Gulfkral, Hurangi. Mahergarh is located in Pakistan. Langhnaj, it is near Mehsana in Gujarat, and Bhimbetka is in Madhya Pradesh, which were discovered by archaeologists. From these places, such as Mahergarh and Inamgaon, where even get information about their houses and farming. They used to grow grains like barley and bajra. Here we can also see the picture of Mahergarh. So from Mahergarh and Inamgaon, we get information which type of houses they were living and what is their occupation. Occupation was farming, and they also used to grow grains like barley and bajra. Sharp stone implements have been found from places like Mahergarh and Inamgaon. These might have been used for farming. Implements means instrument. Stone instrument they used. They find it in Mahergarh and Inamgaon. Maybe they used for this stone instrument for farming. Mahergarh may be considered to be oldest village of ancient India. You see Mahergarh in the map. In the map also we can see where is Mahergarh located. Here we can see Mehergarh. It is located in Pakistan. So farming of barley and wheat, they started from here. They reared sheep and goat. They did farming and stored grains. Bones of animals have been also found here. They lived in rectangular houses, and barns have also been found in these houses. So in shortcut, we can say Mehergarh is also located in Pakistan. So Mehergarh is the oldest city or village in ancient time, and also they reared sheep and goat. They did farming and stored grains. We already learned they also start to store the grains, because grain also take time for farming. So they also start to make earthen pot and also start to storage grains. And bones of animals also they have been found there. They lived in rectangular houses. So their house's shape is rectangular. Small barns have been also been found in these houses. Barns, the meaning of barns is storage or keeping animals like cattle, goat, sheep, cow, which type of animals they are keeping. They are also living in rectangular houses and also keeping their houses separate. According to the evidence found in Mehergarh, they honored the deed by burying them. Many such evidence have been found here. Evidence has been found at one place that goat was buried along with man. This suggests that their belief that there is a life after the death also. From the Mehergarh also we can see many dead bodies. Burying means buried them, and many such evidence also archaeologists found here. Evidence also have been found that one person also buried with goat. So this suggests that their belief also like death of also. After the death of their life is also, and what is their beliefs, what is their believing, we can see from the Mehergarh. In the same way, a place named Inamgaon. Inamgaon is located in Maharashtra, from where remains of dead bodies of children have been found. They lived in round-shaped houses, reared cattle, and did farming of bajra and barley. So the two old places, Mehergarh and Inamgaon. Mehergarh we can see in the Pakistan, and Inamgaon is located in Maharashtra. From remains we can get information, the dead body of children, and also what is their business. Their houses also round shape houses, and their farming, rare cattle, and also farming also like bajra and barley. We can see here exercise also. Choose the correct alternative and write correct answer. How was primitive man's life? A. Nomadic, B. Settled life, C. Urban settlement, and D is rural settlement life. So answer is A. Nomadic life. Which weapon was not used by primitive men to hunt animals? Gun, stone weapons, weapons made of bones, or wooden weapons? So answer is gun, A. Gun. Which state is Bhimbetka situated? Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Bihar, or Uttar Pradesh? So answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which activities were not started by primitive men? Farming, cattle rearing, grain storage, or industry? So answer is industry.